Hello everyone. This is your daily English speaking and listening practice. Let's start learning English step by step. Hello, how are you today?
Hello, I am feeling wonderful today.
Are you ready for speaking practice?
Yes, I am fully prepared.
What do you enjoy learning?
I enjoy learning useful English conversations.
Can you speak English confidently now?
Yes, I speak more confidently now.
Why do you practice English daily?
I practice for better communication skills.
Do you watch English videos often?
Yes, I watch English videos daily.
Which English skill feels hardest?
Pronunciation feels hardest for me sometimes.
Can you introduce yourself clearly?
Yes, I can introduce myself clearly.
Do you enjoy talking with strangers?
Yes, I enjoy meeting new people.
What is your biggest learning goal?
My biggest goal is fluent speaking.
Where do you live currently?
I currently live in a peaceful city.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up early mornings.
Do you drink coffee every morning?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
How do you start your day?
I start with exercise and breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
Do you exercise before breakfast?
Yes, I exercise before eating breakfast.
Which music do you like most?
I like relaxing pop music most.
Can you cook simple meals well?
Yes, I cook simple meals well.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading books.
Do you read books regularly?
Yes, I read books every week.
Which season do you enjoy most?
I enjoy spring season the most.
Do you like rainy weather outside?
Yes, rainy weather feels very relaxing.
What clothes do you wear often?
I often wear comfortable casual clothes.
Can you drive a car safely?
Yes, I drive very carefully always.
How often do you travel?
I travel during holidays and weekends.
What city do you love visiting?
I love visiting New York City.
Do you enjoy shopping online frequently?
Yes, online shopping feels very convenient.
What phone do you currently use?
I currently use a modern smartphone.
Can you use social media wisely?
Yes, I use social media carefully.
Do you enjoy taking beautiful pictures?
Yes, I enjoy taking nature pictures.
What movie did you watch recently?
I watched a comedy movie recently.
Do you enjoy action movies most?
Yes, action movies feel very exciting.
Which actor do you admire greatly?
I greatly admire talented hardworking actors.
Can you sing English songs confidently?
Yes, I sing English songs confidently.
What games do you play usually?
I usually play adventure video games.
Do you like playing soccer outside?
Yes, I enjoy soccer with friends.
What food makes you happiest?
Delicious pizza always makes me happiest.
Can you make spicy noodles well?
Yes, I can cook spicy noodles.
Which restaurant do you visit often?
I often visit nearby family restaurants.
Do you enjoy eating healthy meals?
Yes, healthy meals improve my energy.
What fruit do you like best?
I like sweet mangoes the best.
Can you swim in deep water?
Yes, I swim in deep water.
What makes you laugh loudly?
Funny jokes make me laugh loudly.
Do you enjoy funny television shows?
Yes, funny shows entertain me greatly.
Which subject did you love studying?
I loved studying science during school.
Can you solve math problems quickly?
Yes, I solve math problems quickly.
What language do you speak daily?
I speak English and Nepali daily.
Do you practice pronunciation every night?
Yes, I practice pronunciation every evening.
Which English word sounds difficult?
Some long words sound very difficult.
Can you understand native speakers easily?
Yes, I understand native speakers better.
What motivates your learning journey?
My dreams motivate my learning journey.
Do you study English alone usually?
Yes, I usually study English alone.
Which app helps your learning most?
Language apps help my learning most.
Can you write English sentences clearly?
Yes, I write sentences very clearly.
Do you ask questions during class?
Yes, I ask questions during lessons.
Which teacher inspires you deeply?
My English teacher inspires me deeply.
Can you memorize vocabulary quickly?
Yes, I memorize vocabulary quite quickly.
What helps your listening skills improve?
Daily listening practice improves my skills.
Do you enjoy group discussions sometimes?
Yes, group discussions feel very helpful.
What job would you like someday?
I would like teaching someday professionally.
Can you work under pressure calmly?
Yes, I stay calm under pressure.
Do you enjoy helping other people?
Yes, I enjoy helping people regularly.
What skill do employers value highly?
Employers highly value communication and teamwork.
Can you attend meetings confidently now?
Yes, I attend meetings confidently now.
What time do you sleep usually?
I usually sleep around 10 nightly.
Do you dream about future success?
Yes, I dream about future success.
What place feels peaceful always?
Quiet parks always feel peaceful there.
Can you wake up early easily?
Yes, waking early feels very easy.
Do you enjoy morning walks daily?
Yes, morning walks refresh my mind.
What color do you prefer most?
I prefer blue color the most.
Can you draw simple pictures nicely?
Yes, I draw simple pictures nicely.
Do you keep your room clean?
Yes, I always keep rooms clean.
What drink do you order often?
I often order fresh orange juice.
Can you dance at parties confidently?
Yes, I dance confidently at parties.
Do you enjoy meeting new friends?
Yes, meeting new friends feels exciting.
What makes friendship truly meaningful?
Trust and honesty make friendships meaningful.
Can you keep secrets carefully always?
Yes, I keep secrets very carefully.
Do you forgive mistakes easily sometimes?
Yes, I forgive mistakes quite easily.
What qualities make people trustworthy?
Honesty and kindness make people trustworthy.
Can you speak loudly during presentations?
Yes, I speak loudly during presentations.
Do you enjoy classroom activities regularly?
Yes, classroom activities improve my confidence.
What transportation do you use daily?
I use public transportation every day.
Can you ride bicycles confidently now?
Yes, I ride bicycles confidently now.
Do you prefer mountains or beaches?
I prefer beautiful mountains over beaches.
What animal do you love most?
I love dogs more than others.
Can you care for pets responsibly?
Yes, I care for pets responsibly.
Do you enjoy gardening during weekends?
Yes, gardening feels relaxing during weekends.
What television program interests you greatly?
Educational programs interest me very greatly.
Can you learn from documentaries effectively?
Yes, documentaries teach many useful lessons.
Do you enjoy studying foreign cultures?
Yes, foreign cultures seem very interesting.
What country would you visit first?
I would visit Japan first someday.
Can you pack luggage quickly alone?
Yes, I pack luggage very quickly.
Do you enjoy airplane window seats?
Yes, window seats feel more enjoyable.
What souvenir do you buy usually?
I usually buy traditional handmade souvenirs.
Can you speak politely with everyone?
Yes, I speak politely with everyone.
Do you enjoy volunteering for communities?
Yes, volunteering helps communities become stronger.
What habit improves life greatly?
Daily exercise improves life very greatly.
Can you manage time effectively now?
Yes, I manage time effectively now.
Do you use calendars for planning?
Yes, calendars help my planning greatly.
What inspires your daily activities?
Positive goals inspire my daily activities.
Can you focus during long lessons?
Yes, I focus during long lessons.
Do you enjoy quiet study places?
Yes, quiet places improve concentration greatly.
What helps you stay positive?
Supportive friends help me stay positive.
Can you smile during difficult moments?
Yes, I smile during difficult moments.
Do you enjoy learning every day?
Yes, learning daily feels very rewarding.